everyone, it's Raquel Marie from Unapologetically Raquel Marie. And today I am talking to my fabulous 50 and older people. I want to say this. If you're not on YouTube creating videos on YouTube, I'm going to ask you, what are you waiting for? Because now is definitely the time for you to be there. You're probably thinking, YouTube is for the younger kids. But I'm here to tell you it's not. Especially for us who has life experience, life stories, things we've learned over the years that we need to share, not only for the young crowd, but also for each other. YouTube isn't about dancing lessons and makeup. It's a platform that gives everyone a voice. And you have the greatest voice because you have the one thing the younger generation doesn't have, and that's experience. Think about it. All the life lessons you've learned, raising children, working full-time, going to school, anything that you have experienced, somebody needs to know about, and they need to hear it from you in your voice. We've all been through some things, am I not right? Things that have changed you, shaped you, made you step back and wonder why. Well, those are the things that need to be shared here on YouTube. People in their 40s, 50s, and 60s are looking for role models. And why shouldn't you be the one? Whether it's starting a new job, embracing on a new career, or even discovering their purpose. This is the time. You are the one. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not tech savvy. I don't know how to do things. I don't understand all this terminology that goes into making a YouTube video. But did you know that even with just your phone, you can create and edit and post YouTube videos? I'm learning that it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to get it done. And even if you don't know and you want to learn, there are tons of tutorials right here on YouTube that can show you exactly what you need to do, one step at a time. Now, let's keep it real. Imposter syndrome, it's a real thing. You might be thinking, there's no one that's going to want to listen to what I have to say. I won't get any views. Nobody's going to pay me any attention. There's more people out there that knows much more than I do. But I'm here to tell you that is not true. The world is full of people just waiting to hear from you. Don't worry about being perfect. In fact, the realer you are, the better, because people are hungry for real people and not those who are just trying to look and impress and be something that they're not. Your right audience, they're going to find you, but they can't find you if you're not here. Here's the deal. Your journey is yours. Don't get caught up in numbers and how many views you get and who's looking. Just be real. Be you. You might be wondering, what would I talk about? What would I share? But let's do some brainstorming and see if we can come up with a few ideas. Starting with hobbies and skill. Are you an amazing cook, crafter, gardener, painter, crocheter? People want to learn. Why not learn from you? Life advice. You've learned something in your years. Give advice on how you learned how to do it better. It could be anything from parenting to finances, how to find a better job, how to search for a job, how to go online and find your mate. All those things are things that you can share here on YouTube. Inspiration and motivation is another one. Be motivated. Be inspirational. Share your story of how you made it over. And then teach the steps next. How do we get onto YouTube? Step 1, create your YouTube account. You probably already done that because you're listening to my YouTube video. So we can pretty much know that step 1 is taken care of. See, you've already done it. Congratulations. Step 2, grab your phone and start recording. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Your phone camera, which is what I'm on, and this video is not perfect by any means necessary, is a good start. Edit or don't edit. Up to you. If you're going to show your realness, then just one take is all you need to do. But if you're going to edit, one editor software that I enjoy a lot is CapCut. I use it for TikTok. I started using it to edit these videos. I'm playing around with a couple of others that are free or don't cost much, but if you want to get started, CapCut is an excellent option. And when you finish all that, upload it. That's it. That's all. The end. Except for one more. I did forget one. Be consistent. Consistency is the key. You don't want to post one video and then come back next year and post another video. You want to consistently post And that don't have to be every day. I started out doing every day. That did not work out for me. But it doesn't have to be every day. Decide on what your schedule is and then go for it. So you might say, I want to post once a week, or I want to post twice a week, or something like that. You want to be consistent, because that's what's going to make YouTube show your video to everyone. When YouTube see that you're posting on a consistent basis, more and more people will be recommended to see your video. As you may know, I just started posting videos on YouTube myself. After using it for years and years and years as a viewing, time-killing platform, I've made the decision to be more consistent in filming and posting on YouTube. And I'm going to tell you, it's been life-changing. Not because I have so many views, not because so many people are looking at me and commenting, but because I did it. I've said I was going to do it for years. I never did. And now I've taken that step. I put myself out there. I don't have a lot of equipment. I don't have what I would think the right mic, but I'm still posting because someone needs to hear what I have to say. So are you ready? Let's do it. Get your butt on YouTube right now and get started. Hit the record button. Show the world what you got. That's it. And tag me in your first video. I want to see your first video that you create. I want to be the first one to like, comment on your video. So stop waiting, stop holding off, and just do it. If you're over 50, get your butt on YouTube right now. Again, this is Raquel Marie from Unapologetically Raquel Marie. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.